You know what? Is you guys, you know what? That moment when you just lost it all, like the money and the stuff, you'll be stressed for some time. Then when you have encountered the many losses for a long time, then you just tend to love yourself, right? And it's weird. Yeah, it's weird. You might ask, why am I laughing while I've experienced loss and I've lost almost like 1.5 months, 1.5 months of my salary to through trading. Yeah, well, that's not the purpose of this video. So this purpose of this video is on web development, right? Yes, I've bought a course on web development from Angela Yu. It costed me about $14. But the thing is, I I'm just turning to realize that I am good in designing a WordPress website. No, it's more like I'm capable. I'm able to build a WordPress website. I have different examples of the websites which I've built, such as the one which I run. I don't know if it is even useful. And the other one, which I've currently made, called the Lily Flower Care.co.uk. That's one of the websites which I built. So kind of like realizing that I have I know how to build a few websites. Why can't I just offer that services to the people? Yeah, it's kind of like a question which I have, which I really need to look on, start offering those services. Well, the other thing which was thinking right on the while I was on the computer, thinking about my broke. Yes, my being broke. I just thought to myself, okay, the best way which I can do. I don't know how long it's going to take, but the best way which I'm going to do, right, so that I offer the service, so that I develop, so that I build a portfolio of my the websites which I've built, right, is through actually doing it and applying it, so that while it's and applying it online, on what, on the YouTube or maybe on my social media platforms. I don't know if I'm going to get clients, but I promise I will become one of the best what WordPress builders they are. WordPress website builders there is. Yeah. That I promise myself, and I'm willing to work hard. I'm willing to work hard towards building towards learning, towards building, towards practicing, towards spending every cent of mine which I have on what, on actually okay. So I'm going to spend every cent which I'll be earning on the side, putting on the side of part of my salary towards learning what, towards WordPress building website. Yeah, so it's going to take a long time, but well, i'm going to I'm going to try. I'm just going to keep on trying until I become the best, one of the best WordPress web web designer or web developer there is. Yes, I'm going to try the HTML and CSS and other stuff, but I'm just going to focus on something which I've seen that I'm able to build. How did I learn WordPress? Well, it took me time. It took me some years, some few years of being addicted to watching YouTube videos on on Freddy Kopshock and some other guys on YouTube. Yes, they will be like 4 hours, but I've done it. So let me just try to continue. Maybe it will turn out good. Well, guys, thank you for watching. Bye for now. I don't want to make this video long. Yeah. Cheers. Bye for now.